Meaning of hopefully.
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 Hopefully. Hopefully is an adverb that is used to express a feeling of optimism or expectation about something that may happen in the future. It implies a sense of desire or wishful thinking that a particular outcome will occur. The word hopefully can be used in various contexts, such as expressing hope for good weather, success in an endeavor, or positive news. It is often accompanied by modal verbs like will or can, such as, hopefully, I will be able to attend the concert tonight. Overall, hopefully conveys a hopeful attitude towards the future and the potential outcome of a situation.